I've made over $21,000 on this platform, and it all started with a simple app called wop.com. Every month I'm generating around $4,000, which adds up to nearly $48,500 a year, all while working part-time. The best part? You can do this too, even as a complete beginner. Forget the usual advice about affiliate marketing or dropshipping that often leads to frustration. Instead, focus on becoming an affiliate for existing products on wop.com. You don't need to create your own course or invest in expensive tools. Just sign up, find a product you believe in, and promote it. With the right strategies, you can start earning from day one. Use social media to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience, and watch your income grow. It's all about leveraging existing resources and working smart, not hard. Start today, and you could be on your way to financial freedom.